Hey guys, it's Mel from M.A.G Visions, and I'm back again today. And today the topic is tips to make a good relationship great. That's what it's about. And these aren't Bible. These are things that I think will help you in your relationship because they've helped us in our relationship. And we've been together for almost 20 years in August. So let's just get straight into it. Number one is to help each other grow. And what I mean by helping each other grow is no matter what your mate's dream is, like I said, if they want to have a barbershop on the side of the moon and they tell you they want to have a barbershop on the side of the moon, you don't look at them and say, are you crazy? You look at them and say, well, baby, how much stuff do we have to pack? What kind of lighting is on the moon? What do we need to bring there? Like, just let them know that you believe in their dream and that you want to be there for their dream and that you're going to support them in their dream. And I guarantee it's going to open up a new line of communication. They'll come to you for stuff before they go to their best friend or a cousin or someone, because they know they confide in you, and every time they confide in you that you believe in their dreams, and they will enjoy that, and they will come to you repeatedly over and over again because you believe in their dreams. And I think that as a relationship, like 4-star, like it makes your relationship go to like the level 12. When you know that your partner believes in you, you're willing to step out and do anything you believe with no limitations. Okay. Number 2, do the things you did in the first year. If you guys held hands in the first year, you kissed, you told each other you love her, you sent nasty texts, you sent nasty pictures, you call her in the middle of the day, or you call her on her lunch break, you text her on her lunch break, babe, what are you doing? Same thing with the man. Like, for women, don't make the man do all the work. Like, compromise and do it with him also. Like, if you used to send him notes to work with him in his lunch, or if you used to send him flowers to his job, whatever you used to do for him back then, you should still do for him right now, and vice versa. You guys, if you got whatever you guys used to do in the past, still do it now, because that's the reason why guys have chemistry in the first place. That's the reason why you guys got together in the first place, because you had something that brought you together and that you like doing together. So keep doing those things. The third one is, let me know when you notice something new about me. Is my hair different? Tell me you notice. Did I lose a couple of pounds? Do I have new earrings? Do I have a new wig on? Do I have a new weave? Do I have a new hair color? Does he have on new jeans? Does he have on new shoes? Did he change his goatee? Did he change his beard? Did he change his hair? Whatever he or she did, you need to just compliment that person and let them know that you see them. Baby, I see you. I see you over there shining. I see you over there getting your glow up. Whatever it is, you just need to let them know that you see them. I see you shining, because you got the whole big world out here looking at them. Nobody's saying nothing. At least you can tell them that you are shining. You are glowing up. That's what you should do. Support each other. Number 4 is to make mini dates. Me and my husband do this all the time. Like I said, you can go to like Wegmans. They have a little cafe. You can get yourself some lunch or some dinner with your significant other, and it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. And you guys can bond with each other. It's like a little date where you guys can get personal with each other. It's like the old days. He can hold your hands across the table. What my husband does that I love is he sits on the same side with me and we conversate just like we did in the old days. He's been doing that ever since we first met. So, just to sit on the same side as me and eat is like good for me. Just little things like that, little mini dates. The Arboreums here in DC, they have museums, some free, some not free. That's what I say. It just literally depends on what you want to do, but always remember to take time out for each other. Even if you have kids, drop the kids off sometimes and just find time for you guys. Just do little mini dates, even if it means going to the 7-Eleven and sitting in the car eating. Me and my husband have done that too. We went to this amazing soul food restaurant, got some fish, some fries from McDonald's, and sat in the McDonald's parking lot and literally ate our food, because that was just our mini date. So try to keep the spark alive. Number 5 is to let go of the past. If he cheated in the past, if you cheated in the past, or and you decide, both of you guys decide to move on, you can't keep holding that over each other's head. If you decide to move past that point, you can't bring it up every time you guys get mad at each other. Oh, but you remember, baby, you cheated, or he look at you and be like, baby, you remember you cheated. You can't keep bringing it up. If you decided to move past that point and go past it, and you guys decide to be with each other and forgive the, indiscretions and the, infidelity or whatever happened or almost happened. You have to move on. You can't bring it up at every argument, and you just have to learn to, agree to disagree. I'm not saying forget it, but just remember to forgive. If you don't forget, just remember to forgive. Number 7 is take moments for yourself, like little moments. Like I say, I take little moments for myself, little shows that I watch by myself, like Claws, Queen of the South, Queen Sugar, that my husband doesn't watch. So that's my time by myself. His time is when he plays the game or he goes out with his friends, or the same with me when I go out with my friends. I don't nag him. I don't keep calling him. I don't keep asking him, what are you doing with your friends? Are you having a good time? Are you doing this? First of all, that's where trust comes in. Second of all, that's his time to himself. He does his thing. I do my thing. Then we meet back in the middle, and it's an awesome, amazing time. So, because you guys you've had time to be away from each other and actually miss each other. So I would say it's good to have your own personal time and space to yourself sometimes. And the last thing, and number 8, the last thing that is the most important is don't forget to tell your mate you love them. Every day in every way. You can do it in the morning, you can do it in the evening, you can do it in the morning and the evening, but just don't ever forget. It's something that you think is so simple, but people take for granted that, you're like, oh, they know I loved it. She knows I love her, or he knows I love him. But when you hear it, it does something to your soul, it does something to your spirit. You can feel it all inside you. You get those butterflies, and it's just amazing. So you want to hear it. So I would say that is the one and most important one. Don't ever forget to tell that person that you love them every single day, because you never know when that's going to be the person's last, like it could be their last day, and then you didn't get a chance to say that I love you. So just remember to do that. And I just want to thank you guys for coming through and watching this today about my relationship talk, and come back again. Thank you guys.